Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the requested operation requires elevation error in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for the first step we want to go ahead and click on search and then type in CMD. I'm going to run this as administrator. Click on yes. Alright, from here we want to run some commands. So I'm going to open up Google Sheets here. Google Documents. So for the first one, I want to copy this. I'll leave this in the description below to make it easy for you. So Control C, then come up here and press Control V, then hit enter. And then for the next one, go ahead and copy SFC scan now and chuck that in here too. And then hit enter. Now this scan's going to take a while, probably up to 5 minutes, depending how fast your computer is. I'll pause this video and get back to you when it's finished scanning. Alright, the scan's almost complete. Once the scan is complete, just go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.